What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been so long since I've actually done a video. It's been crazy with work and everything going on with just life. Anyway, I'm glad to be back. We've done quite a few things to the truck. We did get the air dog installed, which we got to still button up some of this stuff. And I have to raise it up, so I don't like how low that is. So we got that done. But I noticed the other day when I got ready to put my keating machine valve cover on. Check this out, guys. Don't know if y'all can see that. I got oil coming out of number 2 and 3 exhaust port. So that was a tall tell sign of I probably have a valve seal that lifted. Which, you know, I done his head about 8,000 miles ago. I got a video on it too. So we got about 8,000 miles on this new head gasket. And I went back with the 60-pound white stripe springs. We went back with the OEM orange, the little seals, umbrella seals, we don't call them. But my machinist told me, and when I was asking him, I said, well, I think I'm gonna go with the top hats just because, you know, I planned on, you know, swapping to the K27 turbo, and we put the new boost elbows on it, which I don't know if that matters. I heard it does, but we did put the K27 and put different injectors, which I don't boost but about 25 pounds. So I don't know what caused it, but I'm gonna show you guys here. I went ahead and took it off and verified it. I don't know if you guys can see it here, but let me just do this quick. What we'll do is I'll set this one because I remember now. Take this one off. Yeah, it's coming too. I can see oil coming out of this one also, which that cylinder's looks to be down, so this one should be up. Let's see what we got. The valve should be closed, I mean. So I should have got my battery powered. It's great doing these videos right off and without editing them or anything. Just let's see what we got here. Grab my light. Okay, yeah, right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. That umbrella seal is lifted up. You see the base there. It's not on the bottom. The other one's still on. And like I said, these are the white stripe, the Cummins 60-pound valve springs. Yeah, so I guess 25 pounds of boost, or something happened, or the exhaust brake or something had to be engaged to make that lift up, which I didn't. We do have 4K governor springs in it, but I have never got it over 25, 3,000 RPMs, maybe at the max, but I've probably done that just a couple of times to see if it would actually do it. But the truck was actually at a shop for about 3 weeks doing the air dog at a diesel shop. So I don't know if some of those young kids there might have, maybe they got on it or something and it could have happened then, but they're not gonna say that happened with them. It happened anytime and it's coming. But I have noticed that I had some blow-by coming, and the truck has about 140,000 miles on it. Never an issue. I blew oil all under the truck, misted the tailgate on a 300-mile trip, and now I'm thinking it has something to do with these lifted exhaust valve rubber seals. So it's number 2 and 3. So what we've done, I've heard ProSource has the top hats. They sell them and you don't have to do any machining. I don't know how true that is. A couple of people have messaged me. There's even a video on YouTube of a guy doing it with my same head part number with no machining. He said it was a factory part that came in a lot of the tractors and just different equipment. So we're gonna try to put those on and see what happens. Like I said, I ordered them yesterday, and today, I know they're not gonna ship out today since everybody's closed, but we will get those put on. I will do a video on how to do that. There's a lot of videos on how to change these out. Yeah, but I could probably just do 2 and 3 since that's the only ones that's leaking. And I should have known when I seen this discoloration, and I'm seeing it back there too, so maybe they're all lifted. But 5 and 6, it looks like it's gonna be a pain to do. I thought about taking the head back off. I'm glad I don't have to, because like I said, I don't have but 8,000 miles on this head gasket repair. But this is something that can just happen, guys. So if you're doing this kind of work, you're doing a head gasket, the only reason I had to do my head gasket, I had the external, the Cummins leak that's up under thermostat housing on the head. They're coming to leak in that spot. Yeah. So I done the head gasket. I should have went with what everyone else told me and not just my machinist. I'm not gonna say he was wrong, but this is the second time I've had issues out of him. And like I said, that's even my small block build. It was kind of, the engine was bored over. It's a 305 and he was supposed to go 30, and I kept having a high ring gap. So I went through like 20 boxes of Hastings rings. They're still in there, and every one of them was over. So we ended up getting that fixed. It is a little overboard, but we're just gonna run with it. It's gonna be my work truck. If I would have knew that, this wouldn't have went there. Vice versa, if this would have happened before I dropped the machine, my small block off to get machined, that wouldn't have went. So, you know, just check out your machinist, do some reviews, listen to people. That's what I should have done. But like I said, it was a family friend that's been doing it for years. I don't know, said I wouldn't have no issue. I told him what I was doing, and this happens. But like I said, anything can happen. We're gonna get it fixed. We're gonna try those top hats. If it does work, I am gonna do a video on it, and I'll give you guys all the part numbers to them. And yeah, we'll go from there. But guys, I'm glad to be back. Like, subscribe to the channel, keep a watch. We'll have some videos coming, and I still want to do those giveaways, guys. I have the dash skin overlayment that I want to give away, or if you guys want the Rec Gen mud flaps, the mesh, somebody can win them. Like, subscribe to the channel. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will give one of those away. So yeah, guys, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to y'all soon.